all for joining me here at the Best Life Theory. This channel is all about getting organized to stay focused on manifesting your dreams, building the exact life that you want to live. Everything that you want in your life and for your life is within your grasp. Remember, you are the captain of your own personal ship, which means that you're in control of your life. Your life is 100% your fault. The universe wants you to have whatever it is that you want to make your ideal life. The only thing you have to do is 1, know what it is that you want, 2, ask for it specifically, and 3, work towards making that goal happen. If you follow those 3 steps, guaranteed you will have your best life. We will go over all of the things that you need to stay positive, set your goals, and remain focused on your life. That's what we're all about on this channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be alerted every single time I post new content. Also, it allows YouTube to understand that we are serious about accomplishing our goals here. We're not playing no games no more. 2020 is our year. So please make sure you guys like and share this video as well with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your neighbor, the gas station attendant, your mail lady, anybody that you think could benefit from this message, because everybody deserves to live their best life and prosper. We all have the power to live our ideal lives, and I am just here to encourage each and every one of you. Think of me as your own personal cheerleader, like, go team!
Bruh.
Probably shouldn't have dabbed because it's kind of like, anywho, think of me as your own personal, I am Whitney Houston. Think of me as the Whitney Houston in your Cinderella story. Boom. Even better. Drops mic. Yes. I almost dabbed again, which I don't normally dab. I swear, you guys, I don't. Anywho, so if you're ever feeling down, unmotivated, or unfocused, just go ahead and check out the Best Life Theory here on YouTube, because I am here to help. So don't forget to make sure you guys subscribe. I will be posting content about 2 to 3 times a week. I'm still new to this, so I'm just trying to figure out how often that I will, but as often as I can, I will be. I am also on social media. You can catch me on Instagram and Facebook at Best Life Theory. So whether you love it or hate it, don't forget to rate it down below by leaving me some feedback. And I will catch you guys in my next video.